One of these blower motor resistors is good. One of them is bad. Can you tell which one failed? Let's find out. Before we test these, let's quickly talk about what they do. A blower motor resistor slows the blower motor down by adding resistance into the circuit. Different fan speed selections use different sections of the resistor pack. More resistance means more voltage drop and a slower blower motor. Less resistance means less voltage drop and a faster blower motor. On many vehicles, high-speed selection bypasses the resistor pack entirely and applies nearly full system voltage directly to the blower motor. First, we're going to set our meter to ohms. Let's start with a known good resistor. Since we are checking for resistance, it doesn't matter where we start. Let's pick this left side terminal. As I move through the different taps on the resistor pack, notice how the resistance changes. Each section adds resistance to the circuit. Different blower speeds use different portions of the resistor pack, as we saw with the diagram. Everything looks normal here. This resistor is good. Now here we're testing it the same way, but we're testing above the connector, and I'll show you why in a minute. Notice the reading is kind of going all over the place. This last leg looks like it's okay. Let's take a closer look at what's going on here. As you can see, that terminal is burnt. Now, depending on where you touch that terminal, you may get a good reading like that, or you may get a crazy reading like you're going to see in a minute. This is because the terminal is burnt, so we're not actually making contact, and neither would the terminal in the connector plugging into this. This is why this one has failed. Now imagine this thing heating up in operation and vibrating, and it just gets worse and worse and worse. If you find yourself in this situation, you replace both the blower motor resistor and the connector that plugs into it. This type of blower motor resistor failure is extremely common. And honestly, compared to normal, this one's barely burnt up at all. And the connector was still fairly connector shaped. Usually these things are completely melted, and it's super obvious what's wrong with it. But this was kind of a strange failure, so I wanted to share it with y'all. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.